everybody, today we're going to get real and we're going to talk about facial hair. I've done videos on facial hair before, such as removing and waxing my mustache. Check it out, there'll be a link below if you want to see that. But today we're going to be talking about shaving your face using a wide razor. This one is from Revlon. Absolutely love it because you can get it in the drugstore and it gets the job done. So there are some pros and cons to shaving the face, and we're going to get into that, as well as I'm going to show you my face shaving routine. Now this routine is perfect for everybody because everybody has that little bit of peach fuzz, and that collects products, especially when you're doing a lot of makeup and you're doing baking. All those different techniques tend to really latch onto the hairs. So it's perfect for everybody. If you have more facial hair than that, this will also take care of it, and I'm going to show you how I do that with my overgrown mustache. It's gone now, but you'll see exactly how I got rid of it. I'm using some moisturizer. This is the Charlotte Tilbury. This is Charlotte's Magic Cream. I really like how hydrating this cream is, and I just put like a little bit on. I don't put as much on as if I was doing like a full skincare routine. I definitely keep the application just a little bit lighter, just a little bit underneath the foundation to keep skin hydrated. I use this Revlon. I use this Revlon razor. It's a wide razor. It's for the face, and you use it to get excess hair off of your face. Now you can use it for areas like your mustache area, your upper lip area where you typically grow a mustache, but you also are supposed to use it on the sides of the face. Now you can see I don't have a lot of hair growth on the side of my face. I'm going to zoom in so hopefully we can see a little bit more detail. So here we are on the side of my face. I do have a little bit of extra sideburn coming down, but on the side here I do have a lot of fine little hairs. And the same could be said over here. I have a lot of fine hairs on the face. And I mean, you have these little hairs all over your face. And the reason why we have that is because, you know, it's just the luck of genetics. But everybody has peach fuzz. And when you shave off that peach fuzz, and mind you, I always recommend that the skin is moist. That's why I always put on a moisturizer before I do this. And what I'll do is I'll just gently sweep down. Getting like the lightest amount of hair off the face, because those little tiny hairs, they really just accumulate product and they will make your face look cakey. They'll make it look dry. It's just, product loves to adhere to little hair. So I don't go up too far. You can go up as far as you want. I try to stay like right here. It also takes off a little layer of your skin, so it's great for exfoliation. Like, my skin feels so much smoother after using it as well. So you kind of get a 2-in-1. You get all those pesky hairs. And you exfoliate. Just make sure your skin is moist when you do this, because if you do it dry, just like any skin, you can get razor burn. So this is what's left on the razor after I'm done. Hopefully you guys can see all that icky gunk. It's pretty gross. I also do my upper lip area. Just because for me, it's a little bit of a self-conscious thing, self-confidence thing. Ooh. A lot. Can you guys see that? It took off so much. You can also use it on your eyebrows if you're really, really careful. I use it on my unibrow. But you want to be super, super careful when you're in that area. This is like ultimately for those of us that hate plucking. but also when I looked a little bit more groomed. Now you really want to use caution around the eye area, of course. That's it. So I just used my finger to remove all the gunk from my razor. Ew, so gross. So gross. So as you see, this is a really easy thing to do. You can do it all over your face, your cheeks, your upper lip, underneath your brow, and you could definitely do this as part of a makeup routine. In fact, you will see this routine as in my Urban Decay video, so if you'd like to check that out. Also, I'm gonna leave a link below to that as well. If you guys are struggling with facial hair, don't worry, you're not alone. There's so many of us that are, and a lot of it gets hush-hush and shoved under the rug because people don't want to talk about it. By the way, this video is not sponsored. This is just a tool that I was gifted and by Revlon. Thank you so much, Revlon. And I've really been putting it to good use, getting my face to look as smooth and as flawless as possible, whether I'm wearing makeup or not. And if you'd like to check out this razor, I'll be leaving a link below to it as well. And if you aren't already, subscribe to my channel, leave me a like, leave me some comments, and also head over to Instagram at Recycled Stardust. Follow my Instagram for beauty and lifestyle, or follow my fashion account at Fabulously Stardust for beauty and fashion. And as always, guys, thank you so much for watching.